Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for always watching my videos. God bless you. After washing, you just want to dry with hand dryer and then start braiding. And for this hairstyle, we use just one pack of Lush. You know, the big size of Lush, that's what we used for this. And this is color 30. For the back side of the hair, or the back of the hair, we are going to be box braiding. We're going to do like box braid, touch and leave. So we'll touch, that's what we call it here in Nigeria. You touch the hair and you leave it. So you box braid the hair a little bit. When you get to a point, you just leave it. So for this particular hair, if your client, for this particular style, if your client has long hair, make sure you braid the hair down to where the client's hair stop before coiling, because at a point we're regretting her hair was just all over the place, like it was popping out. And for the box braid, we are doing like a free part. We're not doing like a square part. We're doing free parts. The reason is because we want the hair to be full, so that's why we're doing free parts. And the box braid is actually like a knotless kind of braid. Not really knotless, but you guys just get to see how my girl Mary is attaching more extension while she's box braided. This is because we want the box braid not to be so slim. We want it to be like in the middle. See how we just left long or big portion of the hair, the extension, we just box braided small and then left like big portion of it. This is because we are going to be coiling it. So yeah. And for the cutting of the extension, we did cut 3. We wanted to do cut 4, but our clients actually want the hair to be long, so we added cut 3, and the cut 3 is almost like cut 2 because my girl, that's Mary, she's adding extension while she's box braiding. This is because so that the hair will be long, and also for the fact that we do not want the root to be too thick. So, and again, for the hair to be long, that's the coils at the back to be long. You guys, this hairstyle, we actually saw it online. But what the person used was a crochet hair. We tried to look for crochet hair around here. We could not find, so we just had to recreate or do something different. Something that looks like it, but not it. Something like it, but not really is. We just try to make do with what we have at the moment. And again, the crochet hair they had there was even color 1. And my client actually wanted like a bright color or something that would suit her hair color. So yeah, so we just tried to make do with what we have. And the hair actually came out nice. She liked it as well. Like I said before, we could not get the crochet hair, so that's why we decided to do this. So we did like touch and leave. We just box braid the tip of the hair or the root of the hair and left the tip of the hair. So yeah, what will you do differently? Will you go ahead to coil, because we wanted to coil the hair and then crochet it. Wanted to coil the extension and then crochet it, but my girl or Mary said we should just do touch and leave. So what will you do differently? Will you crochet the hair? Will you do like a coiling of the hair and then to be doing the feeding cornrow in front? My girl did, or Mary, you guys, Mary did the box braid at the back, and me, I'm doing the feeding in front. And this is how I'm feeding in the hair. I'm braiding it, and the front side is just going to be like a side pattern. For this part, I'm just going to allow you guys watch so that you just understand what I am doing. This is actually self-explanatory. That's the feeding part. Feeding cornrow is self-explanatory. So just watch to see what I am doing.
Remember this world's a build. Baby, that's traveling down. They didn't even perfect. They didn't even make me sound. Found a way to let you in, but I never really had it out. Standing in the light of halo, I've got my angel now. It's like I've been awake, yeah. Every rule I hit you break, yeah. In the read that I'm taking, I'll never gotta shut you up.
For the back feeding, doing the front part, we're moving on to coiling the back hair. And right now we're just doing division of labor. Mary is doing coiling the hair while I am completing the tip of the front side or the front hair. So that's what we are doing right now. For the coils, you can use any rollers of your choice. It just depends on the coils you want to achieve. For us, we want like a loose fall long coils. So that's why we are doing this. And we are coiling each box braid. We're not coiling like two box braids together. We're coiling each just one box braid to a rollers, one box braid to a roller. So that's how we are coiling it. And we're making sure that the coils comes or rolling or wrapping the hair around the rollers. Right now we are using hot water. So for hot water, this is what we are doing. I'm actually assisting her to add more hot water on the top of the hair. So you guys, this is so that it doesn't hurt my client. So that's why we are doing it this way, and we are dipping each rollers at a time. Just one rollers in hot water, bring it out. Another rollers in hot water, bring it out. Just each rollers at a time. That's what we are doing, so that we can be able to put all the hairs in hot water and for the coils to come out really good. So that's why we're doing it like this, just each rollers at a time, or each hair and rollers at a time. You guys get what I mean? and this is what we want to really achieve, and we got exactly what we wanted. My client was actually happy about the results. She liked the coils. This is the final look. So we went on to add like beads on the part that's the front part of the hair, but not so much beads. We just used about, let's say, 12 beads just on the front part of the hair. That's what my client actually wanted. She just wants few beads on the hair because she said beads are really heavy, so she wants few beads on the hair. For finishing touches, we're using styling mousse, and then we're going to just go ahead to use shine and jam in front of our hair. All of this we did it off camera. We used shine and jam in front of the hair, also trimmed the front part of the hair, and yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Hope you like it, you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. What will you do differently? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share this video to friends and family, and let me know what you think about the hairstyle. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
I don't carry shoulder down for you, don't want my feel me back.